It's time for another gardening update. Hey guys, welcome back. It is Miss Janita back again with another Saturday garden video. And today I am sharing, I'm all over the place, what's good and what's not good. This plant, I love this thumb plant, jade plant, frosted and thumb. Also, if you did watch Thursday, you knew I had started putting some little fall decor up here. I got my, what is that, garlic chives right there, doing okay. The dill, I need to harvest. That's a mother's tongue up there. The pepper plant, doing all right. I'm trying to figure out if that's serranos or is that might be, it might be jalapeno. I'm not sure. I guess they gotta get bigger because I'm still not sure what they are. That's serrano pepper plant there. There go the rosemary, the sage doing good, hanging in there. And I moved the peppermint plant up there because them dang bugs eating up the peppermint. I thought peppermint was a pest defer, but almost hit me in the head. But anyway, here go the tomato plant. I moved it over here. No rot bottom. I haven't been getting any more rot bottom so far. This plant, this tomato plant still look insanely unhealthy, but it's aroma plant. But so far the tomatoes on there are not rot bottom. So hopefully they make it. And back there is the, let's open it up. That's the oregano regrowing. And over there is the thyme regrowing if the bug's not eating it. These bugs, something else. I hope this hot sun baked the heck out of them. Parsley down here, look like it went to seed. I have to regrow the parsley. But so far I'm just showing y'all my herbs and peppers and the tomatoes. And that's about it. Don't forget to check out the other participants. Go on over there and check out Susie and Pat. See what they doing. And also Angel. I even gotta go check out Angel. But hey Angel, if you see this video, I've been passing by your channel and I have watched your videos. If it's not online, I know I watch it on the TV. Just haven't came to comment, but you are still getting views, getting a view from me. But anyway, you guys, I guess that's all, that's it. But I did mention over on my grocery channel that a comment was made on the garden channel about how much, about the space, if I had enough space on my balcony, about because I'm showing y'all my new friends and stuff on the balcony. You can see that on Thursday. If you missed that, go check out my Thursday collaboration that I do on the garden, and you'll see that I like placing around garden statues. And the comment was said that they think it's my, they want to know if my, inquiring minds want to know if my balcony was big enough to accommodate all of the little statues that I purchased. A lot of these statues, let me tell inquiring minds if you want to know, that a lot of these statues on my balcony are lightweight. The heaviest thing is that frog that is embracing its knees, okay? Everything else is lightweight. And I put these things on this balcony to brighten up my day, lift my spirit. I enjoy my little garden statues. And yes, I have a small balcony, but I've tried my best to arrange things the way that, you know, it's pleasing to my eyes and to anybody else that has the same, you know, same mind, same interest, love to decorate their small space, whether it's in the home or it's in a garden or it's wherever you are. And if you enjoy what you're doing, don't stop, and don't let anyone disencourage you from doing you and enjoying the things that you like to do in your small space or a large space. But yeah, most stuff I put out here is lightweight, and if it fills up and everything is light, oh my goodness, there go another bug. But I'm about to end this, but thank y'all for coming through. But as long as I can arrange this stuff and situate it to please my eyes and make me feel happy looking at it being put around my garden, I'm going to continue to do that. And if it bothers others, I'm sorry, but remember, it's Miss Jenita's balcony garden, and I'm just doing it for myself. And if it pleases others that have like mind, or like mind, and like to do things like this too in their small space, all right. But that's it, that's all. I just wanted to come through here and give an update on how my garden is doing. I got most of the herbs over here. Some of them perished. Yeah, I do have a perished herb. My marjoram didn't make it. My I think my what is it? I can't think of the name right now. But several of my herbs didn't make it. A few of my peppers didn't make it. But the stuff y'all looking at now, this is the stuff that did, you know, make it, survived, are still growing and developing and producing fruit, and I love it, and I just need to harvest. And I'm very proud of my rosemary plant back there, because they are hanging in there. I got them in the right spot. I think I mentioned before in previous videos, you guys, that you have to put your plants where they want to be. And some of these herbs and peppers, they love the sun, and it's been pretty hot out here in Southern California, especially in August. It's been hot, so that's why I'm out here early trying to get this little video done, so I don't be burning up out here. Oh, I do need to, wait, let me show y'all my basil, because I need to move it because the bugs think they own my basil plant. It's getting big on there, but also them doggone bugs keep eating my baby up, and I don't like it one bit at all. I need to clean these windows out here, but that's a whole nother story. But that's the basil. That's the big leaf plant right there that I grew from seed. But yep, these are my herbs and stuff. I got to harvest some because these bugs feeding more than my doggone family eating. These dang bugs getting on my nerves. These bugs, gardening, you have to put up with the bugs because they are part of gardening. Hold up. But that's it, y'all. Just came by to say hello. Don't forget to go check out the other participants. Have a great weekend. Thanks for watching. Bye. I'll see you on the next one. Gardening update.